quiet up, time to listen to a real thug. I don't want it, ain't gon' buy it with the real drugs. I ain't looking, but I'm yet to find real love. Don't stop pouring till it's all the way filled up. One by one till it's all the way built up. Keep it real, don't gotta tell you who it is. Slowly on the rise like I'm steady stacking bricks. Money on the mind cause I'm trying to get rich. I'ma smoke the whole time cause life is a bitch. Wanna keep it real? I can tell you how she is. Says she wanna suck my dick but first she gotta feed her kids. I'm having second thoughts about to dip out to the house. Roll a fat blunt, turn the TV to the couch, lay back. Cause you know how I do. Bumpin' Young Buck, next Ice Cube. Don't wanna keep it cool, cause I never liked you. You remind me of a bitch like I don't wanna fight you. Yeah, we smoking Cali cause we got the right to. Call these haters Tyson, all they do is bite you. I call your ass to rap like I'm about to write you. Ha ha, tell me if you get it. I'm chillin' with the homie, girl, tell me if you with it. Young Chris.